Good morning, everyone. Let's continue learning Kachin Jinghpaw Language in English. This lesson is the phrases part 1. We are going to learn and practice phrases for daily greetings. I am Miss Bogragalatskalaw, freelance language teacher. Thank you for joining my YouTube program. My YouTube channel is Easy Learning Kachin Language. Let's talk about the greetings. Greetings. In Kachin Jinghpaw, Shikramga. There are several forms of international greetings. For example, handshake, kiss, hug, bow, etc. Handshake, especially shaking the right hand, is greeting custom in the Kachin society. However, the Kachin people do not greet like as the English greetings in daily life. In this lesson, we will learn the English greetings for everyday, which is using internationally. How beautiful to apply and adapt them in Kachin Jinghpaw language. Let me explain a bit in Kachin Jinghpaw. Kralata te shikram let shijen shiga I go ante unpo amyum shani a som tap I tung lai re shini shigu shikram I ga ta go inglik amyum shani sun shigai zon go ante ni nchigai reti mong mundang shigu ta langa I inglik ga pe jingpo ga ku nao la na jai lang yuga. Additionally, let's talk about categorizing time of a day, because the English greetings are time-based greetings. Time is very important and time is very precious. A day has 24 hours, including daytime and nighttime. Generally, we do our daily routine during daytime and we sleep during nighttime. In this slide, you will see categorize the time based upon 24 hours clock system. Let me explain a bit in Kachin Jinghpaw. Inglik ne shkram ga go aten tha la kap ton dai re grai manu danai te mren grai khyak gai aten phe shantin ya shkram ga ni tha e sun chika mat wai phe antini mong shrin la mai Ndai tha muai aten phe 24-hour clock system tha granging kha dai phe madun dai re. Okay, morning in Kachin Jinghpaw chupot manap time between 00 to 12. Noon, midday, shni jingtung 12. Afternoon, shni ga ang time between 12:01 to 17. Evening, shna de time between 17:01 to 24. Midnight, shna yuptung 24 or 00. Just keep in mind that this categorized time is based upon 24-hour clock system. Okay, let's learn and practice the greetings from this slide. Morning from 00 to 12. Greetings will be good morning. In Kachin Jinghpaw, Gabugara I jupot manap rai uga. Gabugara I. Real meaning in English is joyful. The sentence ending with uga is ending for best regards. For example, if your school starts in the morning 8 o'clock, greetings will be good morning. If your job starts in the morning 5, the greetings will be also good morning. Let me repeat again. Good morning. Kebugerai jepot menap rai uga. Good morning. Kebugerai jepot menap rai uga. Afternoon from 12:01 to 17. The greetings is good afternoon. Kebugerai shani ga ang rai uga. Good afternoon. Kebugerai shani ga ang rai uga. Good afternoon. Kebugerai shani ga ang rai uga. Evening, time between 17:01 to 24. The greeting is good evening. Kebugerai shana de rai uga. Good evening. Kebugerai shana de rai uga. Good evening. Kebugerai shana de rai uga. Bye bye. You say bye bye when you leave or depart in the morning, afternoon, evening. Bye bye. In Kachin Jinghpaw, we adapt by saying bye bye yo. Tata yo is baby saying. Yo ending is a friendly expression. Bye bye. Bye bye yo. Tata yo. Goodbye. You say goodbye each other when you leave or depart in the morning, afternoon, evening. Goodbye in Kachin Jinghpaw, wasai yo. A direct meaning of this wasai yo in English is I go, but here wasai yo means goodbye. Another sentence, asomsha wasnu yo. That means also goodbye. Asomsha wasnu yo. Direct meaning is go or depart well. However, here the meaning is goodbye. For example, person A say goodbye, wasai yo. And person B respond goodbye, asomsha wasnu yo. Evening, time between 17:01 to 24. You say good night each other when you leave or when you go to bed. In Kachin Jinghpaw, kebugerai shana rai uga. Good night. Kebugerai shana rai uga. Sweet dreams. When time to go bed, you say each other sweet dreams. In Kachin Jinghpaw, yupyo uga. A direct meaning is have a sound sleep. However, here yupyo uga means sweet dreams. Let me repeat again. Sweet dreams. Yupyo uga. Good day to you. You can greet this one every day as well. Good day to you in Kachin Jinghpaw. Kebugerai shani rai uga. Good day to you. Kebugerai shani rai uga. Have a nice day. Ngwi pyaw shani rai uga. Have a nice day. Ngwi pyaw shani rai uga. Welcome. Kebugerai khap klum laga ai. Welcome. Kebugerai khap klum laga ai. Welcome to Kachin State, Myanmar. This greeting is in polite way and friendly way Greetings to the guests. Welcome to Kachin State, Myanmar. Kachin Wunpong Mung Do Mien Mung Ko Na Gabugara Kap Tau Laga Ai. Welcome to Kachin State, Myanmar. Kachin Wunpong Mung Do Mien Mung Ko Na Gabugara Kap Tau Laga Ai. You are welcome. This is the conventional response to thanks. For example, someone said thank you to you. You respond, you are welcome. In Kachin Jinghpaw, Nrai Lo. The direct meaning is it doesn't need to mention. But here, Nrai Lo means you are welcome. You are welcome, Nrai Lo. See you later. Yakring Krumga. See you later. Yakring Krumga. I hope to see you again. Pai Krumna Aten Pe Mit Madanga I. I hope to see you again. Pai Krumna Aten Pe Mit Madanga I. See you next time. Phang de bai Krumga. See you next time. Phang de bai Krumga. Do join my next lesson. We are going to continue phrases the part 2. We will learn and practice the daily useful phrases. See you next time. Phang de bai Krumga. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you have any questions, comments, and suggestions, please drop here. Thank you for your subscribe, share, and like my YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is Easy Learning Kachin Language. Thank you very much. Right, Jijigba say yo.